Okay, we're here with Aunt Karen, and we've got some very sleepy boys that are getting their 15th wind. Chelsea, come on. And we're favorite pastime.
Oh, whoa!
Doors open and closed. No, I know. We're used to them like, what? Oh, the trays. Mom, that was for you from Eric. As for the opposition of trays. What are you doing? And this one just can hardly stand himself. Look at this one, Karen. What are you doing?
Where are you going? Where are you gonna go?
Somewhere fast.
Look at this.
And we're moving furniture and shutting doors, moving more furniture.
Whoa.
Oh, we're drunk on tiredness. And the love of Aunt Karen. Cannot stand it. Oh, he's stripping down. He's stripping down. There's his belly.
She's like, I got it now. I don't know.
I know. I showed her my one pack. Look at my abs. I could be an underwear model.
Look at that.
Whoa! Is that Marky Mark?
I can't even
Marky
believe
Mark over there.
this crazy face he's making.
Whoa! What's up, Mr. Sexy? What's going on, Mr. Sexy? Yeah, we see it. Have you been working out? You've been doing
Here comes the... God, they're insane tonight.
Here comes the weed.
I'm just drunk in love with you.
No, that one didn't even faze me. I'm like,
No.
Right there.
What are you doing, Audley?
Hi, Audley. Hi, buddy. What are you doing? Yeah, you're
Being really excited. I know. He's gonna go move some more furniture.
And maybe he's flashing us because he knows it's Mardi Gras.
Oh, good call there, Holden.
That's probably what it is. Your mama brought home some beads.
I did. That Daddy wouldn't let you play with.
And oh, where'd Dad
I'm like,
go?
what's the worst thing that could happen? He's like, they could strangle themselves.
I think you totally wrapped them around something.
Look at him walking around.
Look at you! He just walks with a wiggle. It's so cute.
You're so cute.
Yay!
You're like
You're getting so much walking in the last couple of days. Your brother's now running. Oh, we got our favorite Elmo. I know.
They like that, Elmo.
Okay. Yeah, he likes to get his groove on right before he goes to bed. Yeah, this is a great get. Are you dancing?
Mr. Holden?
No, Mr. Noodle.
No, Mr. Noodle, that's not how you do it.
So funny. It says the wall of fur. Okay. Alright. So we're going back to doors stuff now. So we are at 3.5 minutes, which is one of those way too long ones, but it was fun. Bye.